Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, I just want to show you guys some proven step. I'll be exposing some app to you, which you're going to be making money online. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, just go over to Mr. Legit and subscribe to my channel, so as you'll be getting notification whenever I drop a video on how to make money online. So today I'm going to show you an app that will be paying you 600 naira and it's unlimited. The app is going to pay you 600 naira for sending 600 naira from the app to your friends. So I'm going to show you. If you know you are new to my channel, just come over here, Mr. Legit, subscribe to my channel, so you'll be getting notification whenever I drop a new video on how to make money, affiliate marketing, anything that has to do with making money online. So the last video I made was how to earn unlimited USDC through safe DeFi mining, and I had a lot of views. But definitely, I'm going to make a new video, which I'm about to show you guys now. I'm going to show you an app which I've already done the research. I've been earning from this app. I've been making money from this app just by sending money to my friends and family, and I'll be rewarded with 600 naira. So with this app, I'm sure you can make at least 3 to 5,000 naira per day. If you are someone who is very good at referring, you know, the referral method, to refer someone, referral method here, you're not going to do anything hard here. It's just for you to just refer your friends by sending your link to them, and they'll have to sign up through mobile number. They don't have to use email to sign up, because if they use email to sign up, they're not going to get the 600 naira bonus. So it's as simple as that. Once they sign up, verify their information, verify their accounts, complete all the information, then they will be able to earn that 600 naira per each person they refer. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do this, so you can use this method to earn yourself a monthly income. You know, some people are making up to 100 to 50,000 per month with this very app. So I'm gonna tell you the name of the app is. Just wait. If you can watch this video to the end, I'm gonna drop a link where you can download the app. Then I'll drop my WhatsApp link where you are going to chat me up, and I'm going to make a video to show you how this is being done, so as you won't make mistake. Because if you should send anything above what I'm going to send to show you guys here, you're not going to be credited. You're not going to be credited. So let me just go into the app and show you guys how this really works. So this is the app, but make sure you use my link to download the app, so as you'll be able to get the referral bonus. If you don't use my link to download the app, you won't get the referral bonus, and I'm not going to coach you. I'm not going to show you how you're going to go about this to get the 600 naira unlimitedly. So this is the name of the app. This is a cheaper cash. Once you open, I'm going to show you how this app really works. And this is it. I have to log in. You can see from my dashboard, I've earned a lot from this very app. I've been earning and withdrawing. So that is how this app really works. And as of then, they were giving referral bonus of 1,000 naira, but they have to reduce it because people were much jumping into this very update. So this app works anywhere in the world. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in African country, if you are in UK, yeah, you're going to earn more money from here. As you can see, this one was being done on Saturday, which I got 600 naira, and I referred someone. I referred someone, and the person followed all the procedures, and the person was given 600 naira. So let me go to my referral history, and I'm going to show you. This is my referral history. I'm going to show you. These are the people I've referred so far. You can see this is 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 400, 400, 400, 400, 400, 600. So if you calculate the sum amount of this money, you're going to know how much I've made so far. So that's the app I'm going to show you. That is how I'm going to show you how you'll be able to use this app and make up to like 50,000, 100,000 naira per month. You can see this was when I first started. Let me show you guys, which I was being given 1,000 naira to refer someone. It's not all about referring. There is a process. There is a trick which you are going to use, which I'm going to teach you. Once you register through my link, you go through my WhatsApp link, and chat me up. I'm going to show you how this is being done. I'm going to show you how this is being done. Okay. So this is it. You can see, where is it? You can see here, I got 1,000 naira. I got 1,000 naira. You can see I got 600 naira just for referring friends and family. So it's not all about referring friends and family. It's all about implementing this very method, which I'm about to unleash to you. So once you implement this very method, boom, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from here. You're going to make a lot of money from here. So that is exactly what I'm going to show you guys. So that is it. That is it. So if you want, if you know this is exactly what you'll be looking for, but definitely I know this is gonna help a long way, because instead of you sitting idle like every day, not seeing a penny or not making anything at all, you can also utilize this and make a lot of money for yourself. Let me say daily, you can make at least, you can make up to like 2 3,000 naira per day. So at least that is okay. You can use that to sustain yourself and to buy some kind of stuff you will need to keep your ministry moving. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you sign up through my link below the description of this video. Once you sign up, make sure you might have followed the process, verify your account, do verification, link your BVN. You have to link your BVN. It's a bank. Cheaper Cash is a bank which allows you to send money outside abroad. You can send within Africa, and you can also send with families and friends. So their method is very fast, and also their withdrawal method is very fast. Sending money from here to another bank is very, very fast, and it's free. They don't charge anything. Like other banks, they're going to charge you per 10 naira, 15 naira per each transaction you make, but this is free. They're not going to charge you anything. Once you have data, you can access the app, and you can make unlimited transfer to anybody whom you choose to make transfer to. So I hope this video will really, really help most of us that have been looking for ways on how to make money online. We can utilize this and actually make some money online. So after you might have verified your account, once you verify your account, there's a link to my WhatsApp. You will send me a message on WhatsApp, and I'm going to guide you. I'm going to show you how you can multiply this. You can get unlimited 600 naira over and over and over again. You can make you can make up to like 4K a day, or 3,000, 2,000 per day. So that is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do this. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, just come over to Mr. Legit, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button, so that whenever I drop a video on how to make money online, you will be the first person to come across and implement all the steps here. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I'll be waiting for you guys so I can take you along on this very training. So thank you, and God will bless you all.